Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace wiper blades on your GMC Sierra. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect the windshield. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. Now, let's get those old blades off. With the wiper arm lifted, you'll see a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade down and off the arm. Be sure to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm itself. Letting it snap back onto the windshield could cause damage. Take a moment to observe how the old blade was attached. This helps with the new one. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, take your new wiper blade and slide it onto the wiper arm's hook. You should hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly attached. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Test them briefly with your washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.